Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the newer feature in Microsoft Edge that allows you to create AI-generated images and videos just by typing in a prompt in the address bar. Alright, so there's two catches to this. First of all, you need to be using Bing as your home page here, or at least be on the Bing website like I am right here. And then you'll have to be signed into your Microsoft account because you'll have to use some of your credits to use some of these features. So all you need to do when you're here is type in your prompt in the address bar, but you need to start it with create an image of or create a video of. So we will do, all right, create an image of a dog driving a car in the ocean, just something random like that. Press enter. You can see it takes us right to the page here where it's generating the image, and also has some search results down there too as well. All right, so you can see there is our image. So it's just going to give you one image instead of the usual four like it used to do. Let me see if I can shrink this down. Here we go. And now if you want to change something, you could edit your image here with a follow-up prompt. Say add a cat, and I'll click on update. Now sometimes I've noticed when you do this edit here, it takes a minute for it to actually finish generating the image here, or making the changes. All right, so there is our new image with the cats added, and then you could also edit your prompt from here as well. All right, so now let's try it with a video. All right, so I had to refresh the page here to get it to work. So now we have our prompt of create a video of a dog driving a car on the moon wearing a suit. All right, so now we have our speeds for this. So we could use the fast mode. So I have 1 credit for that, or standard mode, which will take several hours. So we'll use one of the credits here and click on create. So this will take a few minutes. So we'll pause the video and be back when it's done, assuming it's done relatively soon. And you can see once you're here, you can click on the check your history to actually see your previous prompts. All right, so here's my video. Dog driving a car on the moon wearing a suit. Not the greatest video since it's spinning in circles and the suit kind of comes and goes. If you click on it, you get a bigger video here, and then you could recreate it, share it. I click on it, save video as. I'll save it as an MP4 video to your computer. So let's say we put it on our desktop. All right, so here's our video, just like that. And then you could click here to go back to it. You can see here we have 9 remaining for the fast version. And if you click here, you can go to your creation. So it's a little tricky how to get to your creations if you are not on this page here. So if you do want to see your creations, try and do it while you're here. Then you can come down here and see your creations from the past. So if we click on this one, then we could actually edit it, download it, change the model, and that type of thing. All right, so once again, from the Bing homepage, it doesn't have to be your default homepage as long as you go to Bing first, and then you could type in your prompt in the address bar, press enter, and then it will generate it for you. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.